What's going on? I'm super pumped for this video because in this video, this is going to be one website that you can get paid per hour to stay at home. So you can get paid to stay at home. You don't have to get up and go to a 9-to-5 job. You can do this full-time, part-time, anytime. This is your first time to my channel. Welcome. My name is Andre, and on this channel I talk about how to make money, affiliate marketing, and just different ways how I can share my knowledge to help you, where you can use that knowledge and you can also make passive income, or you want to make a steady income, part-time job, anything affiliate marketing. This is what this channel for. And on this video, I'm telling you, this can work worldwide. So if you're worldwide, my people, I got you. I got you because I know there's a lot of people out there and they always message in the comments area, Andre, can you find something that can work international? Is there something worldwide? So I went out, I looked, and I found a website. And this website is going to pay you hourly to stay at home. So whether you're in the US, you're in Canada, you're in the UK, Australia, or anywhere in the world, this is going to be a website, and you can use this to make money from home. So let me dive into it right now, and I'll share it with you. All right, so here's the website that I'm talking about. The website is called italki.com. This website, it's worldwide, and you can make money just by staying at home. So what is this website? You basically are teaching people in your own language. So if you're fluent in your own language, if you speak Spanish, you speak French, you speak Chinese, Japanese, Hindi, right? Hindi, Italian, Russian, Chinese, French, Spanish, Portuguese, German, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, and other languages. They have over 100+ languages that you can use. So just click on that and you could see all the different language. Now, this website is super cool. There's people that want to learn a specific language. For example, my cousin, my niece, not my cousin. My niece right now is learning Japanese. And she learns it. She teaches herself, and she also have like a tutor that I don't know if she probably used this specific website. I'm not quite sure. Don't quote me on that. But she's fluent in Japanese right now because she's learning it, because she wants to be like an international, some form of agent or something like that. So a lot of people have jobs, or a lot of people probably want to do some jobs that require a second or a third or a fourth language. So this is a great website that you can come and you can sign up for it. So I'm going to share with you. Let me just click on where it says Spanish, right? So if you speak Spanish, this is going to be good for you. So this person right here, he speaks French, he speaks Spanish, and I can quite sure he speaks English. So this gentleman, Jean-Francois, his hourly rate is $18 per hour. This guy is making $18 per hour just to be at home. For a 30-minute trial, you get it for $9.90. So he splits it in half. So you could try it out for $9.90. If you like it, then boom, you're going to bump it up. So if you look, he's done over 691 lessons so far. Carolina, English, Spanish, right? This flag right here, I'm not sure what flag is that, but Colombia, there it is. And I'm sure she says she speaks Spanish. So Spanish and English. Hourly rate, $9 to $10. 30-minute trial, $6. Now look at this person right here, brand new from Colombia. She probably just signed up. She has no lesson yet, but it's a start. She already putting herself out there. Now, I don't know when she signed up or anything, but here's what I'm saying. Sign up for this. When somebody reach out to you, you're ready to go. So Spanish, you can tell she's from Colombia. So yeah, it's straight Spanish. And she put a rate. So if you're brand new and you sign up for this, you don't want to go like, boom, right out the gate. You want to charge maybe like $18 per hour. Or if you're brand new, you haven't got your ratings yet. You haven't got people, leaving you reviews. This person just started. Look at this. 3 lessons so far. I don't know when they started, but look, this person right here. They're from Peru. And there it is, one lesson, right? So I'm telling you, you can come up, you could sign up, you could do your thing. This person is in Japan, she speaks Spanish. So it doesn't matter if you have a second or a third language. If you know it and you fluent in that specific area, why not use it? Use it to make money. Set something up. All you need is probably your phone, and you probably may need a laptop, right? But start with your phone, because on the main website, I see somebody with a phone in their headset. I don't know if they're teaching or they were the student or anything, but let's dive into this. Let's dig in. So this person right here, Francois, you can check on availability. You can check on the video introduction. So he makes a little video. I'm gonna play it for a second.
Hi everyone, I hope you're well. I'm Jean-François, a French-Spanish instructor living in Mexico City. I'm French. I was born in France and raised near Strasbourg, which is in the northeast of France.
So you see, he's from France, living in Mexico. So he speaks French, he speaks Spanish, and he also speaks English because he was clearly speaking. So he has 3 languages. Probably he could speak more, but that's what he is and look at that. He also fluent in English and German. My goodness. So people out there, I know a few different people that have multiple different languages. This is a way how you can get paid per hour just to stay at home. There's a website you can get paid per hour just to stay at home. So to sign up for this, once again, the website is called italki.com. So if you want to sign up for this, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. All right, you can always scroll down to the bottom. And if you want to sign up and become a teacher, click over where it says here. Right, become a teacher on Italki. So if you click on where it says become a teacher, get paid to help people learn a language. That's what it's for. Now you can earn extra money, build your personal brand, international payments. As I said, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, they can get paid. It's worldwide. Find more find more students. Teach on your schedule, work from home or work at home. All you need is a laptop, a headset, and an internet connection. So you want to make sure you have one of those. Try your best to get a device. It doesn't matter what it is. If you're going to work online, you're going to need a laptop. So if you don't have one, that's going to be the first thing you need to do. Try to get a laptop, work on it, see if you can save up and buy one, because you're going to need it. You're going to need this. You're going to need this tool. If you're a carpenter, you can't go and be a carpenter without the hammer. You got to get a hammer. You got to get nails. You got to get your tools. So if you don't have a computer, work on it. This is international. It's a website that you can get paid, per hourly. You just come through here, international payments. This is how it works. Click on where it says start teaching. Fill this out. You can fill it out via Facebook and all that kind of stuff. Try it out and see how it works. And the good thing with Italki, they have a community full of people, like-minded people as well. There's people that are leaving good reviews and saying how they really like the teachers and the community. So once you're doing a good job, all you need is to do is start. I can't guarantee that you're going to make an account and boom, you're going to get your first student the next day. I'm not going to say that. Everything takes time. So if this is something that you want to do, sign up for it. Don't take this website for granted. If you are fluent in any language, this is the one for you. So try this out. Work from home, stay at home, make some money, or even the evenings when you get home from work, you can sign up for this and you can start. So set your schedule, make some extra money. And I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Check out my #1 way of making money online and in the first link in the description. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.